In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix audio problems in Zoom meetings quickly and efficiently. Whether you're having trouble hearing others or they can't hear you, these steps will help you get back on track in no time. Let's start by covering the basics. First, make sure the volume is turned up on your laptop or whatever system you're using. This might seem obvious, but it's easy to overlook, especially if you've recently muted your device or turned it down. Try adjusting the volume using your system's volume controls to see if that resolves the issue. Next, if you're using a headset or earphones, ensure they're properly plugged in. Double-check that the connection is secure. It's also a good idea to clean out your earphone jack or port by gently blowing into it or using a brush to remove any dust. A loose or poor connection can be a simple yet common reason for audio issues. Now, let's go into the Zoom application. Once you're in your Zoom meeting, look for the icon beside the word Audio at the bottom of your Zoom window. Clicking this icon brings up a menu with several options. From this menu, select Audio Settings to open a new window dedicated to configuring your audio equipment. Within the audio settings, there's an option called Test Speaker. This tool lets you verify that the correct speaker is selected and is working fine. Click on it and see if you can hear the test tone clearly. If not, the drop-down menu next to it allows you to choose a different audio output device. Try selecting another option if your first choice doesn't seem to be working to see if that resolves the issue. Finally, let's look at the microphone settings. Still in the audio settings, look for an option labeled Automatically Adjust Mic Volume. Ensure this option is checked. This allows Zoom to automatically adjust the microphone input level according to your needs, helping balance the sound levels without manual intervention. It can be especially helpful during calls of varying volumes or when different people are speaking. All right, with these steps completed, your Zoom audio should be set up correctly. Troubleshooting audio issues can be frustrating, but understanding these settings should help simplify the process and minimize disruptions. Remember, whether it's checking basic connections, adjusting Zoom settings, or ensuring automatic mic adjustments, these small actions can significantly impact your call quality. That's all for today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.